Yeah. Merķeļa iela 1 in Riga, Latvia.
Merķeļa 1. Very dark one.
Yeah.
No information.
Yeah, unfortunately.
There's no information, so I don't know which year is it.
Yeah.
1997 to 1998.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Hello.
Terve. Yeah, there is no security cameras. So just
Yeah.
so far so good.
Yeah, we can
There's
take the right.
emergency bell, call button. We're on the 5th floor now. That's the most familiar sound.
Yeah,
in the
that's
world. Very nice. Okay, let's go on. Which floor?
First floor.
First. What's this here number? Let's see. Sorry. Yeah. It's okay. Yeah, the cabin is nice.
Yeah.
Mirrors.
Yeah. We can take the answer right there. Yeah.
You can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, let's go back. Very beautiful LED fixture buttons.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, there was the information, but it's ripped off.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know who has ripped
Fucking
it off. Dumbasses.
He's created by Boreal Veritas and maintained by Kone.
Yeah. Okay, let's go back to one.
Yep.
Wait, let's test the door closing sensor if it's working or not.
Yeah.
Oh, it works. Good.
It has full height sensors.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And here's the control.
Cool. Yeah. For some reason, it's weird. It's not working properly.
Yeah.
There he goes. Okay. Let's go. There he goes. That's it.
That's